Okay guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube thumbnail off of your mobile device. So let's just get right into the video. Okay. I'm going to, first things first, I'm going to go to iMovie or go to whatever you're editing your YouTube video on, and scroll through it and try to pick out a good thumbnail, okay? And once you find a few stills that you like, screenshot it by, I think you press Control 4, Shift Alt 4, Control Alt 4, Command Shift 4. It's Command Shift 4 on the iMac. And then you take this little device thing and you click and drag, and then it'll screenshot it for you. Now I already have a few pulled up that I like, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them and I'm going to right click and click share and then go to AirDrop. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna AirDrop it to my phone, and then I'll start recording off of my phone and show you what I do from there. Okay, so I'm switching to this camera now, and I'm going to press screen record on my phone to show you what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna go to Photo Grid. I'm gonna press edit. I'm gonna go to albums, all photos, and then I'm gonna press this photo right here. I'm going to get rid of that logo. I'm going to scroll to image. I'm going to press this one. I'm going to make this bigger. Put it in the corner. And then I'm going to go to text and do fake bangs in all caps. I'm going to go to color, just change the color, maybe like that, and then I'm going to go to advanced. I'm going to press black and outline it, make it bold, and then do the check mark, do text again, and then I'm going to do gone wrong, question mark. Did it go wrong? I don't know, you'll have to find out. Watch it. I'm going to go to advanced, outline, black. I'm going to change the color to gone wrong to red. I'm just going to put it under here. I'll make the outline a little bit bigger. Check. I'm going to do text again. I'm going to go to emojis. I'm going to go to the haircut emoji. I always have my emojis in yellow. I'll make it bigger. And just to keep the video short, what you do, just play around, fill it out for yourself, and you'll find what's right for you. And then let's say I'm done. I'm going to press next. I'm going to save it to high. Press X. Don't want that. And then it's saving. And then it's saved to your phone. Then just AirDrop it or email it or text it to your computer, and then put it on your custom thumbnail option in YouTube, and you have your mobile made thumbnail. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and bye!